Tō mātou wai Māori he hangarau I tēnei rā, hei hopu I ngā pūkenga me ngā whiako whaiaro o ngā tamariki ki te kāinga me te kōhanga reo. So ko tērā tētahi o ngā tino rautaki o tēnei kōhanga reo, hei hopu I ērā ahuatanga.
So the assessments in our kōhanga were largely based around the use of learning stories, which is the common form of assessment within mainstream early childhood centres.
Everything was in filing cabinets and put into books, the big books, into the scrapbooks. And then, would bring it out for whānau hui. The minute whānau hui's finished, went back in the filing cabinet. So it wasn't being shared and it wasn't given a life.
So that sort of signalled to staff, actually this is an area we want to look at in terms of our own practice. We started to have discussions around, what does assessment look like? What did assessment look like within traditional Māori communities? What research is there around assessment that we can draw from and help inform the kaiako practice and the way forward?
Wawata, ko te aroha me te mahitai.
Ngā kōrero tuku iho has provided that opportunity to be able to contribute to other ways of doing things.
Kia aroha tētahi ki tētahi, kia mahi tahi.
How did we in traditional Māori society convey important knowledge? How did we pass that knowledge on? And it wasn't through a paper that had written words on it. It was through that richness of kōrero and being able to share that knowledge with others.
Ki te ako I tōna reo rangatira, hei whaka ki I te wawata a ona mātua.
We set as a whānau goals that we wanted her to achieve, and the kōhanga also worked with us with that and kept touching on those key milestones that she made. It always kept her at the centre, and that's what is really important, I think, and ngā kōrero tuku iho really done that.
So each child learns their pepeha, they get up, they practice it every day, and whilst that child's learning their whakapapa, everybody else around them is also learning as well.
The thing that stands out the most is around parents being able to identify that learning